In our last class, we talked about arithmetic mean and their application. Today, we'll start with the last topic of that is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Now, what do we mean by arithmetic mean? For example, if I have, say, 1 and I have 15, I've given you two numbers, and in between those two numbers, I want to insert three arithmetic mean. That means in between them, I want to put up three numbers, say x1, x2, and x3, any letter. Once I put those three numbers in between them, the sequence that I get in return is going to be a AP. That is what arithmetic mean means. That if you have your extreme numbers, your first and your last number, no matter how many numbers you want to put in between them, once you put them, the sequence that we get in return has to be an arithmetic progression. So if this is an AP, the common difference is same. Yes. So if I put three numbers between two, in total, how many will I have? Five. They were already first and last, and I have inserted three arithmetic mean. So the number of times, the number of EMs we insert plus 2 will give me the total number of terms because I have to add the first and the last term. So here there are 5 terms. But in this case, my first term is 1. 15 is my last term. Which number? A5 is 15. So first what we want is B. A plus 4D is 15. A is 1. So D will be 14 by 4. That is 7 by 2. So automatically now x1 will be 1 plus 7 by 2, 9 by 2. X2 again adding 7 by 2, 16 by 2, 8. X3 8 plus 17 by 2, 23 by 2. That's it. Done? Yes. So if I have inserted, say, 10 arithmetic mean, suppose between 1 and 15, I'm putting in 10 numbers. Then how many terms would have been in the AP? 12 plus 2. Again, if I insert 20 arithmetic means, then my sequence will have how many terms? 22 terms. If I put n arithmetic means, my sequence will have n plus 2 number of terms. Now, what is the second arithmetic mean in the given example? X2. The second arithmetic mean is x2, but it is which term of the sequence? Third term. This term we are not adding to, we're only adding 1. Why? Because only the first number is accounted for, the last one I don't need to take into consideration. If I say first arithmetic mean, I'm talking about x1, but it is the second term of the sequence. Agree? So if I say no, first, if n arithmetic means are written between A and B, then number of terms in the sequence will be how many?
Plus 2.
N plus 2. Yes or no? The second arithmetic mean is third term of the sequence. Fifth arithmetic mean will be A6, sixth term of the sequence. Nth arithmetic mean will be an plus 1 number of the sequence. Yes or no? Now, if I have want to put in more than one number, in that case, so we'll do the same, that I have inserted 4 arithmetic mean. So my sequence has 6 terms. Out of that, the first term is this, the sixth term is this. I'll find D and else I'll find the rest of the terms. But if I only want one arithmetic mean between A and B, only one. Say I'm saying X. Only one arithmetic mean. In this case, this will be AP. If it is AP, the difference will be same. So X minus A equal B minus X. 2X equal A plus B. X will be A plus B by 2. So the formula for arithmetic mean is basically the average. If you only want 1 AM, if you want more than 1 AM, then we'll talk about the sequence as a whole. Understood? Everybody? Written?
Yes.
Question. Insert 6 arithmetic mean between 2 and 16. Also, prove that their sum is 6 times the arithmetic mean between 2 and 16. You do the first part, second part we'll do together. Do the first part. Do the first part. Done? Question. So between 2 and 16, I have 6 numbers, x1, x2 up to x6. So in total, how many terms in the sequence? 8 terms because I put in 6 arithmetic means. So here, the first term is 2 and the 8th term is 16. Yes? So A8, A plus 70, A is 2. So 7D equal 14, D will be 2. Done? X1, 2 plus 2, 4. X2, 6. X3, 8. X4, 10. X5, 12. And X6, 40. These are the 6 arithmetic means. Do you all agree? Everybody? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
second part now. Prove that their sum, whose sum? The sum of the 6 arithmetic means. So, sum of 6 arithmetic means. Add them. 4 plus 6 plus 8, 10, 12, 14. How much do we get? 54?
54.
54.
Done? And it is 6 times the arithmetic mean between 2 and 16. So, what is the arithmetic mean between 2 and 16? 2 plus 16 by 2, that is 9. Yes? The, therefore, sum of 6 arithmetic mean, which we got to be 54, can be written as 6 into 9. And instead of 9, I can write arithmetic mean between 2 and 16. This is what they asked us to prove. That the sum of the 6 arithmetic mean will be 6 times the sum of 6 times the arithmetic mean between 2 and 16. If I find only one arithmetic. Any doubt? Any doubt? Question. It's a very famous sum which what we are about to do. And one of the most common sums in the school, if they want to give a 5-marker question here. Find n if a power n plus b power n upon a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is the arithmetic mean between a and b. Will you try? What is the arithmetic mean between a and b? A plus b by 2. And I'm saying that
A
this
plus
is the value that I should have. Equate them, find n. Equate them, find n. Equate them, find n. It says that a power n plus b power n by a minus 1 b n minus 1. This is equal to arithmetic mean between a and b, and this is a plus b by 2. So they're equal. We need to cross multiply and find it. That's our logic. Okay? So cross multiplication twice of a n plus b n is same as a plus b, a n minus 1, b n. Done. Left side, let's open the bracket. Twice a n plus twice b n. Now right hand side, when we multiply a into this, what will I get? A power 1 into a power n minus 1. Same base, multiply, power add.
A
What
power
will
n.
I get?
A power n.
Agree? Done? Now instead of this, I multiply them. This, I'll get the same, right? A into b power n minus 1. Done? I can't do anything. Now, if I multiply with b, these two terms, what will I get? B into a power n minus 1. Yes. Now let's multiply them. Again, same base, multiply, power will get added. What will I get?
B power n.
Power n.
Yes. Now, we'll bring these two are like terms. If I bring them to the left, I'll get 1 time an. Similarly, b power n, b power n. If I bring them to the left, I'm left with this. ab n minus 1, b into a power n. Done? Done? Now, I'll bring them on the same side, the terms which have similar powers. In the first one, a power n, and in my right hand side, this term also has a power n. Yeah, a into b power n minus 1 minus b power n. Now, in these two, what can I take common? What can I take common? Okay, you can take a power n or you can take a power n minus 1, whatever you feel comfortable. So if I'm taking a power n, I'm left with 1 minus b, a power minus 1. Hana, agree? Or before doing this, we can write a power n by a. Same base, divide power minus. Same here, a into b power n by b power 1. You could have taken b power n minus 1 common also, any which way. Now you are taking a power n common, left with 1 minus b by a. Here, taking b power n common, left with a by b minus 1. Taking LCM, a n, a minus b by a. Taking b n, a minus b by b. A minus b gets cancelled. So, again, same base divide power minus. Have come to this location. So usually here what we do is n minus 1 power same. So we'll conclude with a equal to b. But the sum was not even about that. The sum was finding the value of n. And if a and b would have been same, 2, 2. Why will I ask you to find out the average? For two same numbers, what's the point of finding arithmetic mean? It's just one single number. So definitely a and b are not equal. But I need to find n minus n. How should I do that now? How can I do that? See, the basic thing was equating the base, but that is not going to be the case here. So what else can I do? See, if I bring it to the left, on the right hand side, I'm left with 1. So here I have a by b whole power n minus 1. So right hand side, I have 1. What can I write that? Very good. A by b to the power 0 to make the base same. Because I don't want to cancel the power. I want to cancel the base. So now I have the same base. So I can equate my power. I'll have n minus 1 equals 0. So from here, n will be 1. Understood? Hmm. Everybody understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Done? Exercise 6.3, ML Agarwal. Question number 1. Question number 1. If the fourth term of an AP is 4, what is fourth term of an AP? Formula.
A plus 3D.
A plus D.
So A4 is 4, that is A plus 3D, we already have 4. What we want is the sum of 7 terms. That means S7, 7 by 2, 2A, 7 minus 1, 60. Let's take 2 common. 2 gets cancelled. And we already know the value of A plus 3D. So 7 into 4 from 1. Answer is 28. So without actually finding A and D, we still got the final answer. Yes? Is it clear? Yes. Question number 2,
Yes.
Roman 1 and Roman 2 are identical to what we just did right now. Yes? Question number 3. If A is the arithmetic mean between A and B, if A is the arithmetic mean, then what is the value of A? What would be the value of A?
A
A
plus B
plus
by 2.
B by 2. Now put this value in LHS, you'll have your RHS. For Roman 1, LHS, A minus A whole square, A minus B whole square, A plus B by 2 minus A whole square, A plus B by 2 minus B whole square. A plus B minus 2B by 2 whole square. B minus A by 2 whole square. A minus B by 2 whole square. Okay, what is the formula of A minus B whole square? A minus B whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square.
Plus B
What would
square.
be B minus A whole square? B square minus 2AB plus A square. Aren't they the same? Yes. So looking at my proof, B minus A whole square can be written as A minus B whole square. It's the same thing. Huh? So LCM or 2 times 2 gets cancelled. So A minus B whole square by 2. Hmm. That's my RHS. ठीक है? Any problem? ये दोनों तो same है. So looking at the proof, I replaced B minus A by A minus B. And then for LCM, double. Try Roman 2. Try Roman 2. Try Roman 2. Done. LHS. LHS. 4 times A minus capital A minus small a. So A minus A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 minus B. LCM. 2A minus A minus B. A plus B minus 2B. This is A minus B by 2. Again, this is A minus B by 2. So A minus B whole square, which is our RHS. Any problem? Okay. Online, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Giving you a question. Same continue. Number 3. A plus 2A by A minus B. Same as A plus 2B by A minus, sorry. There's a plus sign in between. Equal 4. Proof. Done. Let's see. LHS. Capital A plus 2A, A minus B. Capital A plus 2B, A minus B. So A plus B by 2 plus 2A. A plus B by 2 minus B. LCM. A plus B, 2 2s are 4A. A plus B minus 2B. Both of them have the same LCM too, so I cancelled them. So 5A plus B, A minus. The second term, A plus 2, A plus B by 2 plus 2B, A plus B by 2 minus B. Taking LCM, A plus B plus 4B, A plus B minus 2A. So we have A plus 5B. This is B minus A. Agree? In order to make the LCM same, we can take negative common in the second term. Yes, in the denominator, I'm taking minus common. I'll get A minus B. Huh? And that minus can be written outside. Plus minus minus. Taking LCM. See, whenever we have minus, it is basically having a bracket in the second term. So 5A plus B minus A minus 5B. Clear? 4A minus 4A minus 4B upon A minus B. Taking 4 common. A minus B gets cancelled, equal to 4. That is RHS. Got it? Guys, did
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
get it? Next question. If A1, A2 are two arithmetic mean between A and B, prove that A1 plus A2 equal A plus B. A1 plus A2 will be equals to 2 plus A plus B. Proof. If there are two arithmetic means, in that case, how many terms will be in my sequence? There will be 4 terms. Since A1 and A2 are arithmetic means, so this sequence is going to be an AP. So first term is A. There's nothing new about it. What about B? B is the A4. B is the fourth term. So B is A plus 3D. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? So from here, what would be D? B minus A by 3. Yes? Agree? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So A1, A plus D, A2, A plus 2D. If I add them, A1 plus A2, 2A plus 3D. Instead of 3D, we can put B minus A. This makes it A plus B. Prove that. I wrote LHS and I've substituted the value. Yes. For the same situation, can you also try twice A1 minus A2 into twice A2 minus A1 equal A into B? For the same question, try this proof. प्रूफ हो गया? लेट्स ट्राई LHS. Twice A1 minus A2. Twice A2 minus A1. A1 A plus D. A2 A plus 2D. This is A plus 2D. This is A plus D. I'll put the value of D at the end. 2A plus 2D minus A minus 2D. 2A plus 4D. Here 2D gets cancelled. We are left with A. Here if I simplify, I'm left with A plus 3D. Right? A plus 3D was B. That's our RHS. Got it? Everybody got it online?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Exercise question number 4. Number 4. There are n arithmetic means between 3 and 17. If there are n arithmetic means, if there would have been 4 arithmetic means between 3 and 17, so the sequence would have a total of 6 terms. If there are n arithmetic means between 3 and 17, the sequence will have a total of n plus 2 terms.
N plus
The
2
first
terms.
arithmetic mean would be the second term of the sequence. The fourth arithmetic mean will be the fifth term of the sequence. Do you all agree? Same logic will apply here. So there are n arithmetic means. There are n arithmetic means between 3 and 17. Therefore, number of terms will be n plus 2. Yes or no? In this case, 3 will be my first term. What about 17? 17 is the last term. Which number? If there are total 50 terms, the last term will be A50. If there are n plus 2 terms, the last term would be an plus 2. Agree? So from here, a plus n minus 1 into d equals 17. Yes or no?
Yes.
So n plus 1 into d is 14. From here, d will be 14 upon n plus 1. Equation 1. Both d and n are missing, right? So we need two equations. This was the first. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Now the second condition. The ratio of first mean to the last mean. Last mean means which mean? Nth mean? The ratio is 1 by 3. First mean is which term of the sequence? Second term. And nth mean is the which term of the sequence? See, first mean is the second term. Second mean third term. Fifth mean sixth term. Tenth mean 11th term. Nth mean n plus 1th term.
Plus 1.
A n plus 1. 3A2 equal A n plus 1. Put the values. A2 A plus D. Here A plus n minus 1D. 9 plus 3D. 3 plus ND. 6 equal n minus 3D. Now put the value here. Put the value of D. 14 by n plus 1. From 1, solve and find n. Solve and find n. 6n plus 6. 14n minus 42. Solve. 48 equal 8n. So n will be
6.
n will be 6. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
A very similar sum question. Between 1 and 31, insert n arithmetic means such that ratio of 7th and n minus 1th mean is 5/9. Try. So how many number of terms? Number of terms, guys?
N terms. N
No.
plus 2.
Yeah. Out of that, the first term is 1. What about 31?
N
n
plus
plus 2th term. A plus n minus 1 into d. N plus 1 into d is 30. So d would be 30 by n plus 1. Now, ratio of 7th and n minus 1th mean. 7th mean upon n minus 1th mean is 5/9. So 7th mean is which term of the sequence? A8. And n minus 1th mean will be
A.
an. Solve. 9. A plus 70. A plus n minus 1d. 9 plus 63d. 5 plus 5n minus 5d. 4. Put the value of d. D was 30 by n plus 1 from 1. Solve and find n. So 4n plus 4. I can cancel also. 2n plus 2. 75n. 1020. 1022 is 73n. If we divide n 1022 by 73, that is 14. So there are a total of 14 terms in the sequence. There are a total of 14 terms in the sequence. Understood? Is there a doubt?
No, no.
Okay, so with this, our AP is over.